Hey guys! So for this second screencast video, what I'm going to be doing is playing a game with you right beside me. So I have a world map in front of me, and over here it's going to ask me to click and drag different oceans and different continents into their correct spot. And what I'd like you to do is to match up where you placed your continent names and your ocean names to see if they're in the correct spot. Now, if you have an interest in this website, I'm going to post the link and then you can play this game on your own as well. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing they want me to place into the correct spot is the Indian Ocean. Now, did you place the Indian Ocean here? No, it doesn't look like it fits. I think it fits right there. Yes, I'm correct. So the Indian Ocean, located right below India, located right here where my mouse is lighting up, in between Africa, at the bottom of Asia, and over here to Australia. All right, so let's place North America. North America is our continent. We live within the continent of North America, but it is not just our country of United States. We also have the country of Canada, Greenland, and down here, Mexico and Central America are also part of North America. All right, let's keep going. Now you'll notice that this funny ocean actually has two pieces. That's because our Earth is round. It is not flat. But unfortunately, this picture is flat. So if you look at a globe, you will see that it is actually round. So the Pacific Ocean does touch over here in North America, and the Pacific Ocean touches over here near Asia and Australia. Okay, so let's keep going. We have the continent of Europe. So this one is right in the middle, and I think it fits right there. Okay, so let's go a little bit. We're actually going to go way far north to the North Pole, and this ocean, which is the Arctic Ocean, and is asking us about the final ocean, which is the Atlantic Ocean, which is right here, and it's what separates North America from Europe. Now let's do a few more continents. All right, so this gigantic continent is the continent of Africa. Now, here's something interesting, is that we know that there are four main oceans. Now, they have also identified the ocean above Antarctica as the Southern Ocean. So we can put that in. So you don't have a label for that for your map, but you can make your own label or just write it straight on your map. And remember, guys, if I'm moving too fast, take your time. You can pause me at any time. You can color in the different continents, paying close attention to which countries are part of which continent. Now, let's move on to this gigantic continent. This is the continent of Asia. And Asia has all the way down here to, we have half of Papua New Guinea, we have Indonesia, we have Philippines, Vietnam, China, Japan, Koreas. We have, and also over here in this section closer to Europe. So there's Asia. Let's put in Antarctica. Antarctica, going towards the bottom. Also a very large continent. Keeping on going, let's move into Australia. Australia over here, home of those koalas that I've learned a lot about recently. And our last continent is South America, which you can find here. So South America directly below North America, north and south. Okay, so here is a picture of my completed map, and I hope you enjoyed and that you had some, or if not all, of those correct. And I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye.